Hi, good afternoon, children. So today we have Mr. Tamil Selvan Mahalingam with us. Mr. Selvan is a founder and CEO of FutureCaptains.com. Now, as soon as the students get into college, from the second year onwards, they get into the race, they get into the stress of finding a dream job for themselves. So, what should they do, and how can they get a dream job?
Okay, so there is this, the paradox. You won't get a job unless you have experience, right? Right? so, so they need to beat the paradox. Very simple. And how do they do that? Very, very simple. See, today, I think more than in our times, in your times, when we graduated, today students can actually get more exposure and create that experience for the world of work while they are in college. It all takes a little amount of discipline, right? And that is, I would call it a lack of discipline than anything else. If a student doesn't get a job today, it is only because they lack discipline and a strategy to get a job. Okay,
True.
because I'll tell you, nobody teaches you how to use a WhatsApp. Nobody taught you how to use an Instagram, correct? Nobody taught you how to use a Facebook. Today you are using it. Tell me, did you go through any formal education to use Zoom as a tool? Did you go through that?
No.
No.
It
you
was
did
a
you
need, so we figured it
you
out.
got your you got your hands dirty because it was a need.
Yes.
Precisely, right? And that, the you have to begin with the end in the mind. When the student gets into the first year of college, they very well know that either they're going to take the entrepreneur route, or they're going to go for higher education, or they're going to find a job elsewhere, or they get into academics or research stream. That these are the four paths that anyone can take. There's no other path apart from that. So when you're looking at these four paths, you have a very clear line of sight.
But
All you have to do
uh,
is
I'm sorry, I'm cutting you here. Many
go ahead, go ahead.
students, they don't have that clarity. They go to a college, but still they are not really sure whether they want to go into corporate or into academia or into administrative services. They say that they are still figuring it out.
Yeah, because there is this, first thing, there are two problems. One is, I can tell you, career counseling has never even entered into the college space yet.
Yes.
There's nothing called as career counseling in the college space. And nobody really pays attention because people think, hey, I've already chosen the college. Why I need career counseling now?
Yes, that happens especially when you run after a brand college. They assume that, okay, branded college means now the job is in the lap. Whereas in
Yeah,
reality, it doesn't happen.
it doesn't happen. I can tell you with my previous organizations, people lose their job or move out of their job with the first year. 50% they either resign or they get chucked out because of lack of performance. So I know it that it's not true, right? So if I'm sorry, so the thing is, I forgot the question.
how
Can you just
to
repeat the
how to
question?
find a dream job? I'm sorry, we digress from the topic, but it was needed
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
children
yeah.
to know the reality.
Yeah, what happens is, as I told you, college doesn't have career counseling as a practice, right? Second thing is, when they are actually, they don't pay attention to personal branding, right? A student, I have 100 students graduating every year. 100 students coming out from similar or different engineering disciplines. They are going to compete with each other, right? And within engineering itself, I'm taking engineering because most of the time engineering has this major problem. So engineering again is bifurcated into sales, into R&D, into IT, into project management, into what do you say, design development. There are so many sub divisions within engineering that students even don't even prepare for. So they come out without having any clue within engineering what I need to do. That's exactly why I said there's absolutely no career planning, career guidance in colleges. And even today, we are struggling to actually convince people to actually look at this option, but still they think, this is something that is not required. But trust me, career guidance is something that is in the top of the food chain. Without that, everything gets,
Yes.
kind of disturbed.
This place,
So
yes.
displaced, yeah. So coming back to finding the dream job, I think finding a dream job is a continuum. Your first job need not be a dream job. a first job that you take is actually the path towards your dream job.
Yes.
You know, it's like this, right? I might not, if my goal is to lose weight, say 10 kgs, right? And the 10 kgs, I can choose to lose my 10 kgs in 1 month, or I can choose the 10 lose the 10 kgs in 1 year, right? Losing the 10 kgs is important.
Yes.
What time is doesn't matter. We are not in a race,
Yes.
and that race is something that is self-inflicted because we
Excellent.
want to
Very
compete,
right. Very right. True.
right? And we should not be in that race. Every student is unique. Everybody has their own dreams. And starting to compare myself with my friend and trying to do everything based on what I'm comparing is the biggest problem that we are facing today. Just because my uncle's son is got an admission or got appointed in a large IT multinational company doesn't mean that even I have to take that path. I
Yes.
can become a high school teacher, right? A government high school teacher gets more money today than an IT employee today.
Yes. Yes.
Nobody even knows that,
Yes.
right? Nobody even knows that, right? And choosing these kind of understanding that there are so many opportunities, and I can create my own path is something that every student should pay attention to. Unfortunately, that all that attention is getting into PUBG and Instagram, and it has to get into something that will help them grow up in life.
So thank you so much, Tamil sir, for being with us today. And I'm sure
It's a
that
pleasure,
all
man.
the valuable information you have provided will definitely help students to make their lives better in terms of performing better, in terms of getting better jobs, in terms of being aware and having self clarity about what they want to do in life.